All right, so you're running Facebook ads, but the numbers inside of your ads manager are not really adding up. The tracking is not 100% accurate and you really don't know what you're doing. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a free strategy that you guys can start getting way more accurate tracking with your Facebook ads so you can make more money, scale your ads more efficiently. I'm gonna share my screen and break down the whole entire process step by step. And trust me, it's a lot easier than you probably think. Let's get into it.
We rich from anywhere, baby.
So first of all, why is tracking even important, right? Well, when you're running Facebook ads, all these numbers are gonna start popping up in your ad account. And these numbers are literally telling you which ads are performing great and which ads are not performing great. That way you guys can start making strategic decisions on which one to scale up and which ones to cut off. But if the tracking is not accurate, meaning the numbers aren't accurate, then basically you're just making blind decisions, wasting a lot of money. And that's what a lot of people do, right? So we need to ensure that we're getting accurate data and we're actually looking at numbers that are actually real, right? So there are a lot of paid services and more robust ways to do what I'm about to tell you, but this strategy I'm about to show you is 100% free. You can use it, you can implement it right after this video, and it will work extremely well. The strategy that I'm gonna tell you guys about is called UTM parameters, all right? So don't get confused by that weird name. I know it sounds really overwhelming, but it's actually very, very simple, okay? Basically, when you guys are running ads, you're gonna be driving people to a website. You're gonna be promoting a link, right? So UTM parameters, all it is we're just gonna be adding an extra piece of code to that link that you're promoting. And that little extra piece of code is essentially going to help us track the data with way more accuracy, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen. Let's dive right into it. All right, so here we are in the Facebook Ads Manager where all this is gonna go down. Now, if you don't have an ads manager, you don't have your business manager set up and all that good stuff, and you're still boosting posts, first of all, stop boosting posts. That does not work, right? Run ads from the ads manager. If you don't know how to set that up, I'll link a video that we recorded on how to do that step by step. I'll link that in the description below so you can check that out. But when you get that done, you're gonna go ahead and create a campaign, which I'm not gonna go through all the details of that. We have other videos that show you how to do that as well. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna create your campaign and you're gonna come over to the ad level, okay? And when you get to the ad level, you're gonna go ahead and click on edit and you're gonna open up the settings for your ad level. And the place you're going to put UTM parameters are going to be down towards the bottom here. If you scroll down, where it says, there are actually two places you can build the UTM parameters. You can build it right here where it says build URL parameter here, where you're putting the website URL, but you can also put it all the way down at the bottom where it says URL parameters. And this is actually where I prefer to do it, just for my own reasons, but they work both ways, either way, right? But for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and build it down here at the bottom. So go ahead and click on the link that says build a URL parameter. And now it's going to pop up this box, okay? So this is what you do. You're gonna come inside of campaign source and you're going to type FB_ad, okay? Then where it says campaign medium, you're going to select ad set name. And don't worry about this little hazard mark that comes up. You haven't done anything wrong. It's just basically making you aware of something, right? So it's okay if this pops up. The next one, it says campaign name. You're gonna select this and you're going to put campaign name. And then on the last one, you're gonna put campaign content. You're going to do ad name. So those are the four standard parameters you're gonna put in right there. Now, I also want you to add one extra parameter by clicking this gray button right here. And in this box, I want you to type in campaign_ID. And then in the value, I want you to go ahead and find campaign ID just like that. Okay. And once you have input all those, you're just going to click apply. And now what you will see is, you can X out of this. You will see that the UTM parameters have been set right here. Now, what this is going to do is when you start running your Facebook ad, Facebook is going to add all of these parameters, this extra code, to the link that you're promoting. And this is going to be the way that Facebook starts tracking, when you start generating leads and generating sales, you're going to be able to see which exact campaign made you the sale, which ad set made you the sale, which video brought them in, and everything. And it gives you all this amazing data. And, if you're split testing and doing, running ads the way that we teach you, you're going to have multiple ad sets. You're going to have multiple videos. And it's very important to know which video actually caused people to buy. That way, you can scale up that video and spend more money on it, right? UTM parameters are going to allow you to do that. Okay. Now, the other thing I would highly suggest is that you guys use some kind of a software, some kind of a CRM where you're tracking your leads. And let me show you the one that we're using. When you integrate your Facebook account with this software, what's going to happen is if you go over to reporting on the left-hand side, and then you come up to Facebook ads, you're now going to be able to see your actual Facebook campaigns right inside of here. You can track all your metrics and all that good stuff. This is where it really gets exciting because now you can see the exact amount of leads that came from this campaign, and this is 100% accurate. Unlike the Facebook Ads Manager, which might only show you, maybe 25 leads or something like that, but this is 100% accurate. You know exactly how many leads came from this campaign. And the cool thing is you can actually click on this and it'll actually show you the list of the actual people that signed up too. So you can easily do what you want with that information. You can export that as a CSV, do all types of really cool stuff. The other thing you can do is when people start coming into your CRM from your ads, you can tag them, for instance. And when you click on the contact, now when you have UTM parameters set up on the right-hand side right here, you will be able to see exactly where this lead came from. You can hover over this and it'll show you, okay, this lead came from this Facebook ad campaign, it came from this ad set, and it came from this video. Right? So now with 100% confidence where this lead came from, and which ads are working for you. So you know which ones to scale up and which ones to cut off. This is the whole power behind UTM parameters, guys. So this is how you do it. And I would highly recommend that you guys set this up immediately if you're running Facebook ads. All right, guys, so that is how you set up UTM parameters with your Facebook ads. Now, if you are someone who is still kind of struggling to set up ads properly, you don't really know how to do it, you don't really know how to set up the targeting right, or maybe you don't know how to read your metrics properly. If you don't really have all that stuff figured out, guys, I have an insanely valuable, incredibly affordable Facebook ads course that will show you all that stuff step by step. I'm gonna drop a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And we have a money back guarantee, so there's literally no risk whatsoever. Go through it, check it out, and let us know how it works for you because we've been getting some amazing reviews on this course. Also, if you guys have any questions whatsoever about the strategy that I just showed you, drop them in the comments below. We do our best to answer every single question. And as always, if you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, right? And share this with a friend who needs to know this because this will help them make more money.